Picture this, it's 2 a.m. and your major Kubernetes cluster went down. But instead of your on-call phone ringing up and ruining your night, AI agent wakes up, check the logs, errors, patch the bug and test sandbox and deploy it. All this before you open your eyes. If you're in a SRE or DevOps role, this scenario might give a little anxiety. With AI writing Terraform scripts and handling the troubleshooting of the Kubernetes cluster, everything seems like running on an autopilot. So let us ask one big question that everyone is avoiding: is DevOps dying? In this video, let's talk about what AI will exactly replace and what it cannot handle. Along with that, 5 skills you need to learn so that you will be irreplaceable by AI agents. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Will AI replace your jobs? The clear answer to this is no. AI will not replace you, but the engineers who know AI will replace you surely. To understand this, let us see what actually AI can replace and what AI cannot. AI is very good at execution thing like writing scripts, handling the issues, scanning for basic security related stuff, fixing the syntax errors in your YAML files. If your day looks like this, then you need to be worried about AI replacing your job. But here is the thing that AI sucks at. AI will never understand your company's unique business goals. It doesn't know how your legacy infrastructure is built, and honestly, it cannot navigate your internal office politics between the development team and the security teams. AI can definitely write your code, but it cannot design highly scalable and multi cloud environments. So by the 2030, AI will not replace your job, but it will replace your codes. So by that time, you will be less working on debugging the issues and more on creating a reliable application designs. So as we have already discussed, the work is going to differ so as to the toolkits. There are new toolkits you need to learn. The first one is CPU orchestration and AI infrastructure. Right now, most of us are working with CPUs, monitoring and orchestrating them. But most of the AI models run on GPUs. Large LLM models need to be orchestrated on GPU based instances. So, learning that how to orchestrate an GPU instance on Kubernetes will help you to be ahead of everyone. For that, Kubernetes provides one tool which is KServe, which can be your golden ticket right now. The second one is AI Ops. In that, you should be comfortable with AI driven observability tools so that you can manage auto driven observability for your applications. Whenever there an error comes up, the AI agent will automatically detect the issue and give you solution on a fly. Third is policy as code guardrails. AI can generate code at lightning speed so as it can generate a security flaws. So your job will be to set up the guardrails. You need to know how to write automated policies with the tools like open policy agents to catch AI's errors before they hit the productions. The fourth one is platform engineer. The industry is heavily moving towards self-service. Developers don't want to wait for you to deploy anything onto the Kubernetes clusters. You need to learn how to create frameworks using Spotify Backstage for developers so that they will be able to deploy anything on their own without your intervention. And fifth one is advanced context prompting for triage. This isn't about asking ChatGPT to write your mails, but more of a feeding your actual architecture maps, runbooks, and documentation to AI agents. Looking at the end of day, the future will not be about human versus machine, but it is about how fast you adapt. So by 2030, your boring repetitive task will be replaced and an era of high leverage and AI augmented engineer is getting started. If you want to stay ahead of where the industry is moving, hit that subscribe button because we are going to drop few more videos that can keep your tech career alive. Now I want to know from your side what all 5 things that you're going to learn